This is Charlotte Hall.
That was straight up creepy.
That was so cute.
Yeah.
Hi.
Let's go. You like to hop? Do you think you're a pony? Can you do it? Come on. Come on.
It's tough.
She walked away and he was like,
Oh my God!
you know that he laughed?
How you doing? They call him Louis, and he got, he does that for their umbrella. Yeah, it's big and white.
Laugh again. I want him to laugh
They got a
again.
big voice.
That's funny. He laughed. Like, he turned around and walked away and laughed.
Oh yeah, she does that to me a lot. Like I'll look at her, see the nosy, and she'll stop, and as soon as I'm looking at her, she'll start again. I'll turn around and laugh at me.
Yeah.
I love this bird.
I know, right?
Watch too many monkey documentaries.
That's beautiful.
Oh no, they're not pregnant. They're ones who used to breed.
Hello.
So,
How are you doing? You having fun? Yeah, right?
Even like,
That's what I'm saying. Exactly. I hear you on that one. Get out of town. Get out of town.
Yeah, they'll look like that.
hello? Hey.
Right?
No.
I hear you. I hear you. Do you want to go back over there?
Yeah.
no.
We don't know. We have to wait till...
Hey, do you want to push?
No.
Can we go over there?
Yeah,
Don't
come
try
on.
to get
There's,
first person.
because they're not in the...
I don't know what that means.
There's a big... We're looking at this big white bird, Mom, and when it's
Laugh
talking to
again.
you, it'll laugh.
Can you
and it'll
laugh?
Go, ha, ha, ha,